Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano yung energies for you ngayong second quarter ng 2026. So that is April, May, June. This is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com. O kaya naman, mag-book na kayo directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Or you can email me, mrqueenph@gmail.com. Okay, Cancer, let's see. Second quarter, what's the energy for you? Okay. Saturn, some challenging situation. Pero ito kasi, itong challenges na to, magbibigay to sa'yo ng lessons na kailangan mong matutunan. So this is also about discipline, structure, na kailangan mong isaayos ang buhay mo. So more on maturity, okay? So next is Leo energy. So this is about being creative, being center of attention. So some of you, pwedeng kayo ay nasa social media or you are on the spotlight. Maaring you will be recognized. Meron ka marireceive na awards, rewards, recognition. So, yung iyong creative side, mas lalo mo i-explore. You also have energy ng Venus, which is about abundance, blessings, money energies for you. This is about taking care of yourself, focusing on self-love, self-care. Venus is also the planet of money. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, you will focus on your financial stability ngayong second half ng 2026. Okay, let's see what else. For Cancer. Oh, the Three of Pentacles. So this is growth, pag-unlad, expansion. Sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, yung iba sa inyo meron kayong mga kasama rito like collaboration, working with others. Sa trabaho, sa business, sa career. You also have the world. So yung iba sa inyo, opportunity sa ibang bansa. This is also achievement, no? Ito ay parang energy ng graduation. Na itong graduation na ito ay dahil na rin sa mga effort na binigay mo sa sarili mo, sa trabaho mo, business mo. And you are finally reaping the rewards ng mga pinag-effortan mo and even your sacrifices. You also have the Magician. Ayan Magician is about your abilities, your talents, your skill set. I think ngayong second quarter ng 2026, kung ikaw ay hindi mo pa alam kung ano ang ipupurso mo sa buhay, maaring ngayong second quarter, you will realize, malalaman mo kung ano yung mga talento, mga kakayanan na hindi mo pa na-discover sa sarili mo. And also, kung ikaw naman ay into creative side rin, mas lalo mo pang gagalingan, mas lalo mong ilalabas ang iyong kakayanan. You also have the Ace of Pentacles. This is new opportunities, new work, new career, new business. Pagsisimula to ng trabaho o kaya naman magninegosyo ka or another source of income in the next 3 months, itong second quarter ng 2026. Yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay mag-i-invest sa inyong knowledge and skills. Meron mga tao na will try to bring you down, I think ito yung challenge sa inyo. Kung gaano nyo talaga kagusto na ipaglaban yung inyong mga pangarap. Meron mga taong will try to pull you down, alam nyo na, mga nahihinggit or what. But you will overcome this, through the support of your family, your loved ones. Some of you, pwede ring may focus sa anak, mas magkakaroon kayo ng time sa family, sa mga anak kung meron na kayong anak. You also have being detached. Ayan. So, this is about going from within. Siyempre, hindi lang naman sa ibang tao ang magiging focus mo, but also para rin sa sarili mo. Giving yourself some time ah, inner peace, ganyan. Part na rin yan ng iyong self-love, self-care na, di ba, kahit gaano ka busy, kailangan meron ka pa ring me time, di ba, to balance the energy kung marami kang responsibilities, di ba? Listen up. You are working through deep soul patterns. Release any outdated beliefs that surface. So, ito yung i-release mo. Any outdated beliefs na alam mong hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo moving forward. You will focus on your present moment at titingnan mo kung nag-a-align ka ba sa iyong mga goals or sa future mo, yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve. Okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.